Chapter 12. Does this shift actually work? It seems today like people just want to poke holes in things, and they look at stuff and say, that can't be true. Does this shift actually work when we think about what's right versus who's right? Well, in Chapter 12, I share a specific example from one of our clients we worked with a few years ago. This organization came together and they made some great decisions. They worked hard, they rolled up their sleeves, they worked together in such a way that people didn't think was possible. The early signs of this group, a little bit like a middle school dance. They had one pocket of this over there, a little pocket of that there, and somebody else not really wanting to share it all. There's basically a mandate for them to come up with $1 million a year in savings, or else. The or else was, we just have to terminate 18 of your fellow co-workers, and we're going to reorganize the whole thing under a brand new bureaucracy inside of a city government. They decided to do something different, and coming together, they exceeded the $1 million a year target significantly. In fact, over 5 years, they found $16 million worth of savings, not just $5 million as it would be $1 million a year. Want to know more? Read Chapter 12. It'll tell you all about the organization that did this remarkable work together. What's right, not who's right? Does this shift actually work? Ask them if it works. They put together a culture based upon the premise of what's right, not who's right. If you'd like to learn more about the book, please visit my speaker website at tiptonspeaks.com. There's a tab at the top called Books. Click on that and you'll see a link to what's right, not who's right. In the meantime, if you really want to buy the book right now and find out more about this organization in Chapter 12, it's available on Amazon. Thank you for supporting the Tipton Family College Fund. We appreciate it. Thanks very much.